Mr. Soundman, we would very much appreciate it if you add a tad bit more mids and a little more lows to the mic. I'm on mic number 1, Prince on mic number 2. A little bit more, right there, yeah. One more, come on, come on, right, yes, right, yeah, come on, now. Sorta similar to the way I remember to be the wordsmith. Pharaoh, God's gift to vocabulary. My personal soliloquies be killing me softly. Still I be packing artillery, y'all feeling me? Yeah, props don't stop here, nigga.